Hi.
Other action figures each sold separately. From
Record the purr.
Jimmy, get the door. It must be Cousin Willie. Okay. Hi. What's up?
Ah, there we go. Something chill to watch. Hi there. Canna-Beer Grows here. How you doing today? How you doing? Today, I'm going to bring you a sponsored video. So I got to tell you right off, due to YouTube's rules and stuff, that I got to tell you, this is a sponsored video. This video is sponsored by, I believe it's UOIUXC. I actually asked them how to pronounce this. I was like, oh my god, how am I supposed to do a video if I can't pronounce this dang word? I believe it is UOIUXC. Anyway, I get offers almost weekly from companies offering me lights, and generally I turn them down because they're just not up to par. However, this one in particular kind of looks pretty good so far. Now, I do not have the full setup of awesome channels like MyGrow and stuff to truly run this thing through the ringers and really test it. But I'm going to definitely give it a look. All right, let's open this puppy up, shall we? Well packed in there. That's always good news. What do we got here? The user manual. Let's start with that. I'm just going to read off some of the stuff here over top of the stats and whatnot. They are Samsung diodes. There are 120 3000K. That's what I said. 3000K. There are 88 red 5000K, and there are 22. It looks like red 660 nanometers. I don't quite know what that stat means. And 730K. There's one of those in there. I believe that's the ultraviolet. That's a purple light. If I'm saying any of this wrong, I'm sure you guys will let me know in the chat below. Now it says that it has a Meanwell driver here. I gotta be honest, this doesn't look like a Meanwell driver, but it claims that it is, so I'm gonna have to just tell you that it is a Meanwell driver, because that's what it says. That's good. It's actually only 110 watts, this whole setup. That's actually really, really good. It's bolstering some pretty insane stats, actually, here. A 1.7 efficiency rating, full spectrum. You know, it's looking pretty good. It's got this dial on it and stuff. It's got the dimming switch. You know, it's kind of got, it's hitting all the right notes for me. So we're just going to have a little test drive of this puppy and see how it does. Alrighty, now right off the bat, I like this light for one reason. Well, multiple reasons, but it actually has a peg. A riser on each side. Lots and lots of these boards only have one. So if you ever need to just put it down on a table or something like that, I know it's a nitpicky little thing, but it sits evenly. And I don't know why, but that's an appealing minor feature. Anyway, let's turn this puppy on. Let's have a look. Another thing I really like is the switch. The dial that's on here is physically an on-off switch as well. There we go. Woo! Wow! Holy crap! Okay, let me turn this away this way so you can kind of see what it light up the garage here a little bit. But like, gosh darn! Wow! That is illuminating the whole place. This is crazy bright. Oh god, good thing I'm wearing sunglasses. Ugh. Wow. I mean, quantum boards are all kind of the same in that retrospect, is that they are blindingly awesome and bright and produce this really nice white spectrum that's easy on the eyes. It's not all purple. Yeah, yep. I'm digging this light so far. I'm gonna have to check it out and run some vegetables or something under it to give it a real test drive. Yeah, exposed board, no silicone coating on them like that. But again, this is kind of a cheaper model. This is a good sort of budget-friendly kind of quantum board. There's a lot of companies out there with a lot of different quantum boards. So at least so far, this one gets the thumbs up of approval from CANNA-Beard. I like what I'm seeing. Again, I'm gonna have to give it a real test drive to really know what I think about it. But so far, it's looking pretty good. And I like the features that it's got. I kind of wish that this thing actually said that it was a Meanwhile driver. Every Meanwhile driver I've ever seen has actually been pretty good about labeling. So anyway, long story short, we're just gonna have to test this puppy out. So make sure you subscribe to old CANNA-Beard Grows here. And I'm probably most likely going to be using this in my one of my pepper tents. That's probably where this is going to end up, due to the fact that it's got a dimmer on it, so I can dial it back a little bit. Because my peppers just don't need this massive full board. Just wow. Yeah. So stay tuned. Keep growing, and see you real soon. Have a good day.